Engine Builder's Guide, Techniques and Safety Tips for Precision Material Removal. Smoothing combustion chamber surfaces with a carbide burr tool can make or break your engine tuning results. If your airflow efficiency isn't where it should be, rough spots inside the chamber might be the culprit. In this guide, you'll learn which carbide burrs work best, how to apply tuning techniques for cleaner cuts, and key safety steps to keep your work precise and damage-free. Understanding carbide burr tools. Carbide burr tools are essential in engine tuning, offering precision and control in material removal. They come in various types, each suited to different tasks. Let's explore these options to help you choose the right one for your engine tuning needs. Types of carbide burrs. Carbide burrs can be found in numerous shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. Cylinder-shaped burrs are perfect for flat surfaces, while ball-shaped burrs excel in contouring and finishing. Another popular option, tree-shaped burrs, are ideal for rounding off edges. Knowing the unique strengths of each type helps you pick the right tool for the job. When selecting a burr, consider the material you're working with. Some burrs are better suited for softer metals, while others can tackle harder alloys. This choice impacts your efficiency and the smoothness of the finished surface. Remember, using the right burr saves time and improves results. Choosing the right burr for engine tuning. Selecting the correct carbide burr tool for engine tuning involves understanding your specific needs. For general smoothing, flame-shaped burrs work well, providing a good balance between control and speed. If you're focusing on tight spots, oval-shaped burrs offer precision without compromising on reach. You should also consider the size and speed of your tool. Smaller burrs allow for finer detail, while larger ones cover more area quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.